Choosing the right siding for your home is a big decision. With so many options, wood, vinyl, metal, fiber cement, how do you know which one is right for you? Well, stick around as we explore the benefits and drawbacks of each siding type so you can make the best choice for your home. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Choosing the right siding for your home is not a one-size-fits-all decision. It depends on various factors like your climate, home style, budget, and how much maintenance you're willing to do over the years. Well, in this video, we're going to go over the most popular types of siding and help you find the best fit for your home. When it comes to siding, each type offers its own unique set of benefits, making it important to choose the one that best fits your home's needs and your personal preference. Vinyl siding is affordable, low maintenance, and comes in a variety of colors. However, it can fade over time and isn't the best at insulating your home. Wood siding offers a natural, traditional look. It's beautiful but requires regular maintenance to prevent rot and insect damage. Metal siding. Metal siding is durable and resistant to fire and insects. It can be prone to denting and might not offer the warm, aesthetic appeal of other materials. Fiber cement siding. Fiber cement siding combines durability and aesthetic appeal, offering resistance to fire, insects, and rot. This option, like James Hardie, is more costly upfront but can save on maintenance costs over time. To decide which siding is best for you, consider these factors. If you live in a region with extreme weather, durability and resistance to elements are crucial. For example, fiber cement siding like James Hardie is known for its ability to withstand harsh conditions, making it a popular choice in many areas with extreme weather like hail. Think about the look you want for your home. Wood siding offers a classic look, while fiber cement can mimic wood without the same maintenance requirements. How much time do you want to spend maintaining your siding? Vinyl and fiber cement siding require less maintenance compared to wood. While vinyl is generally the most budget-friendly upfront, fiber cement offers long-term value due to its durability and low maintenance needs. Each of these siding types has its own unique advantages, making them suitable for different situations and preferences. The best choice depends on your specific needs, style, and maintenance preferences, as well as your budget. At Southwest Exteriors, we believe in offering only the best for our customers, which is why we exclusively sell James Hardie fiber cement siding. Its unmatched durability, low maintenance, and stunning variety of styles make it a perfect choice for any home. If you're in the San Antonio area and want to learn more about how James Hardie siding can transform your home, contact us today to schedule a free consultation with one of our experts to discuss your needs and see how James Hardie siding can be perfect fit for you. Visit our website or give us a call to get started. For more home improvement tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.